How to create a photo collage on Facebook story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a photo collage on Facebook story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing I recommend you guys do is updating your Facebook to its latest version. For that, head over to your app store and then search for Facebook. After you search for Facebook, what you'll have to do is check if there is an update available. If there is an update button like this available here, tap on update and update the app. After you update the app, you can open the app up and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then tap on stories and then tap on create story. Now here you'll find an option called select multiple. Tap on it and then select multiple photos. So you can select multiple photos from here. And after you select multiple photos, you can tap on next on the bottom right. Then there you'll see an option called photo collage. Tap on it and then you'll be able to add these photos and edit it however you like. So you can tap on a photo to change how it looks like. So you can tap on it to change its shape. You can zoom on it. You can keep on tapping on it to make it look like a photo. And with that, after you're done with the collage, you can tap on the share button on the bottom right. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you can create a photo collage on Facebook story. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video.